Hello everybody and welcome to Parks Bros. It's Drew here, and we're back finally at Knott's Berry Farm for another Knott's Berry Tales construction update.
So, oh my, Knott's Berry Tales return to the fair is looking phenomenal, and there has been an amazing amount of change to the ride as well as all around the surrounding area. Now, our last update was quite a while ago, but that's because I wasn't able to secure a ticket to Taste of Following, which was their last tasting event. But thankfully, I was able to grab a ticket for Taste of Merry Farm going on right now, and I was able to check out all of the incredible change. Now, arguably the first thing you'll notice when you walk up to the ride's exterior is the brand new front entrance sign and boysenberry jam machine, which rests atop the entrance gazebo with all types of kinetic movement, lighting fixtures, and incredible detail. This sign really just feels like the cherry on top to the ride's exterior, and I'm so excited to see this ride get a sign it really deserves. Now, moving on from that, they have painted more murals advertising the farm as well as boysenberries, which I think is a beautiful touch. But the ride's exterior was not the only thing updated. The rest of that area, including the Charles M. Schulz Theater, the two shops on Memory Lane, the Wheeler Dealer bumper cars, and of course the restaurant in the back corner, have seen major change. Cordy's Corner got a tiny bit of a facelift with a new paint job. And if you're wondering, the speakeasy door is still there to stay, and it has brand new audio. Let's listen in.
Hey, Benny, there's somebody at the door.
What's the password?
Barnacle.
That ain't it. Hit the pavement, Mac. Ollie, keep playing that damn music box.
Okay.
Now, I gotta say that was one of my favorite changes, just the attention to detail there and the amount of effort put into something that many people won't even notice is what I absolutely love about what's going on at the park right now. Now, just a little ways over from the speakeasy door, there's a nice photo op with two ladies from the 1920s, or I guess you could say flapper gals. And I'd be lying to you if I said I didn't take pictures with them. But anyway, moving on, the Charles M. Schulz Theater has gotten an amazing facelift on the outside with a new paint job, new details, and new signs. They've really gone all in with that Art Deco styling of the 1920s. And while yes, I'll miss the little odes to the Peanuts as well as their theme on the side of the building, I think this overall is a better look for that entire area. Now, this leads us over to the quick service restaurant on the side next to the restrooms, where this is what looks to be the only thing that's unfinished in the land right now. And that's only because it's missing a sign. Now, we're not entirely sure of what this restaurant will be called when it reopens, but on the tasting card, it was called this: Hollywood Hits. So we'll see if that ends up being the name, and if it is, it's not a bad fit at all. But that brings us over to Wheeler Dealer Bumper Cars, which has gotten brand new fences surrounding the ride area, which take on, again, that Art Deco style, and it looks incredible. And of course, the sign got a nice purple and white repaint as well. Now, this brings us full circle back around to Knott's Berry Tales, where the gift shop for the ride is currently showing off works of art that you can purchase in print or original form, and Hang Time's lead car to the Orange Train is hanging out in there as well. If you want to go check that out, I definitely recommend it. And right next door, of course, is the famous boysenberry pie delivery truck, which is looking glorious in its purple and gold paint job, And again, I'd be lying to you if I said I didn't take pictures in front of it. If you want to see these pictures and more, make sure to go follow my Instagram at ParksBros. And I gotta say, it's absolutely phenomenal what Knott's pulled off in the last couple of months. And to be honest with you, I'm kind of glad the park has been closed, because that means they've been able to put more and more effort into the surrounding area as well as the exterior of this brand new attraction. So maybe this ride opening in summer of 2020 wasn't the worst thing after all, because by the time the park reopens sometime next year, this ride is going to be an incredible addition all around. And heck, even with the ride not being open yet, the area looks so much better. And it realistically leaves one area of the park left to a little bit of a touch-up, and that's Fiesta Village, which hopefully we'll see that be touched up just like every other area of the park over the past years very soon. But anyway, I wanted to say thank you so much for watching, and I'll let myself take it away.
Holy cow, does this look amazing or what? So excited to check this out. Hopefully next year. Can't wait for Berry Tales, and I hope you can't wait either. But man, so much has changed since our last visit. But thank you so much for watching, and until next time, we'll see you on the next ride.